Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to use this holographic powder from Elite99. There are a few different ones on the market, but this one, its actual full name is Upgraded Holographic Laser Nail Chrome Powder from Elite99. There have been some previous versions that I don't think were very good. I've seen a few YouTube videos and people couldn't get it to work, but this one seems to work really well and it's really cheap. It's £4.29 on Amazon. So I'm just going to show you how I use it. I will put a link in the description so you can buy this one from Amazon. Okay, so firstly I buffed the nails and then cleaned them with some alcohol and just rubbed it off with some kitchen paper. Then I used this polish from Elite99. This is a really nice neon purple. It's not got a name, it's just got a number, 1556. So I put 2 coats of that on and then I cured it in my hybrid lamp for 30 seconds each time. Then I use this no white top coat from Bluesky. It's quite rubbery when it goes on, so I just cure that for 30 seconds so that I can rub the powder into that no white top coat, and it does do really well. And here is the powder. It's very, very shimmery. Okay, so I'm just using the eyeshadow applicator that came with the powder to rub it into the nail. You only need to use a light touch. If you go too hard with it and press it in, or press too much powder in, then you just get an opaque silver effect. If that's the effect you're going for, that's fine, but I wanted to see the purple through the powder, so I only put a little bit on. And there you can see the holographic effect starting already. And now I just use my dusting brush just to get any excess powder off. It does get absolutely everywhere, so you do need to put some paper or something underneath. Okay, and then I just added another coat of the no white top coat from Bluesky. This time I cured the top coat for 60 seconds. You want to make sure that that top coat is definitely cured. And there is the finished look. The next colour I used was this lovely light blue from CCO. It's called Azure Wish, and again I put 2 coats on, curing each coat for 30 seconds. and here you can see the blue and the purple together. You can definitely see the different colours. It's definitely not just give it a silver opaque look because of that light touch and only a small amount of the powder. And on to the next colour. This is a really nice pink from Bluesky. It's very, very sheer, so I had to put 3 coats of this on. You might even need 4. Its number, it doesn't have a name, its number is 80502, and it's a lovely pink with a blue tinge to it as well. If you look at my nails on the video, I've actually got that on my nails there, so you can see what it looks like. Okay, so here are all 3 colours, the purple, the blue and the pink. You can see that holographic effect just about there. I tried my best to get it to focus, but it doesn't want to because the powder is so shimmery. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you tried this powder and what you thought of it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.